Hello friend, in this video I'm going to discuss about the differences between sum versus SUMX function in Power BI. So here I'm going to use the source Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and database going to use Adam, and inside Adam jobs table is there, and this is the record inside jobs table. So this table I'm selecting because here you can see mean salary and max salary. I will do the operation on mean and max salary. So this is here Power BI desktop. So here you can see jobs. Select this. Now here after click on data. Now here after this is the record inside jobs table, and here going to create a new column. So new column going to create, and at this place when you write sum, press enter. Here you can see it accept only one parameter column name, and here about adds all number in our columns, so it will do adding all the numbers. So whatever the columns you selected, okay, so it will add all numbers. So whatever the numbers are there, so it will do the adding on column. So here I'm going to select mean salary, and close my bracket, press enter. So here you can see this is the sum. So I applied jobs on mean salary, so it will do the addition of this all, and after adding it's the value is 124,888. So this is the simple use of sum function. So here this is one aggregate function. Now here after let's create one new column. And here this is the column, and let's write sum x. So here you can see return the sum of an expression evaluate for each row in a table. So it do the sum of expression and evaluate each row. So it will do the evaluation on each row in the table. So it will do on the row, but when you use sum, so it will add the numbers on columns. So this is the here definition difference. So sum that do add all the numbers in a column, but sum x or sum of expression, and it will do on the row, each row in the table. So let's use sum. Now here you can see first you need to give the table name. So table name that I'm going to use job, and here expression. So here you can write any kind of meaningful expression. Okay, so meaningful expression. So let's give mean salary, job mean salary. Now when you press enter, okay, so here you can get the same output, but when you use SUMX function, you can add anything, any meaningful thing on expression though. So this is the expression part. So let's use plus. Now I'm going to do here max salary. Now it will do here 4,000, and this, let's press enter first and check the output. So here you can see this is doing job mean salary plus max salary. So here you can see this is the here. So this is now this is the addition of mean salary, and this is the addition of I didn't add it. Now here you can see this is it's start doing the addition of this min salary, and after max salary it's doing the addition sum. Now here okay, one more thing, let's keep at this place only max salary is there. So here job and expression max salary. So this is the new value, and if you add this tools, and after that when you add this tools, then that will come another output. So let's add new, and that place going to use SUMX, and going to use the table jobs, comma. Now here job max salary, comma, job min salary. So we cannot give separate comma, so we have to write only one expression, and inside expression you can write any meaningful calculation. So here going to do the addition of max and min salary. So when you add this, so here or this is 8 plus 8 16, 8 plus 8 16, and 1 17, and 8 plus 1 9. So when you add this max RD and min RD, the value it's coming this one. So this is about SUMX. So SUMX here that accept two parameter. Okay, but when you use sum, so it accept only one parameter. So when I'm trying to use the plus, and here let's include max salary. Now here I'm getting the message parameter is not correct tab. So we cannot use any plus with sum. Okay, so this is the restriction. You can give only one correct parameter, so it's not correct. So we must remove this part, and after that it's not showing any kind of error.